Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start first chapter of your computer, that is computers, storage and memory device. So first of all, you are familiar with the computer. You know what is computer. Computer is an electronic machine. In computer, generally two parts are there: basic, that is hardware and software. So by the combination of these two, hardware and software, computer can run. So here we will study a computer is an amazing machine. It has many characteristics that have made it an essential part of our life. So here we will study characteristics of computer. So what is the meaning of characteristics? Characteristics means that the special thing or the features of your computer. The first feature is your speed. This speed, as we know, computer is a very fast. It can perform any work within a second, within a minute. So a computer takes only a few seconds to calculate that we might take hour to perform. Computer, it takes very few seconds to perform any task. Next characteristic is your accuracy. Accuracy means most of the time computer is perfect. Perfect means always he is right. The output of the from the computer, that is 99.9% accurate. So a computer gives highly accurate result. It gives the highly accurate result. If the input is correct, the output definitely will accurate. Means if you give the right input, computer must give the right output. So turn your page. Next characteristic is your diligence. Diligence, a computer can work for hours without getting tired or committing any error. First of all, you know what is the meaning of diligence. Diligence is nothing but the meaning of diligence is continuous doing work. Suppose you are doing work for the several hours, continuously you are working, so that is diligence. As if we work for the 6 hours 7 hours, we need rest, we are tired, we need food, we need rest. But computer can work for the several hours without any tiredness. So that is the again that this is the characteristics of computer never get tired and bored. Next characteristics of your computer is versatility. Versatility is that computer can perform multiple tasks, different kind of tasks. So that is called versatility. A computer can perform completely different type of tasks. Suppose we can download access email, shopping, printing, we can surf web, we can watch movie, we can play music. So all these different tasks can perform. So that is versatility of the computer. Next is your storage. A computer has a built-in memory to store large amount of data. So data memory, just like we have also memory, we can remember something, we can keep in our mind. So computer has also one memory. In that memory we keep the data file like your video, pictures and all that we can store in this computer. So that is the storage. So there are five characteristics of your computer. The first one is speed, second accuracy, third is your diligence, fourth versatility, and the fifth is storage. So these are the characteristics of computer, and you have to remember these five characteristics of computer. Next, common terms used in computer. So as I told that in the computer there are very common one, the software and hardware. After hardware software there are two more things, that is data and information. So we will know what is hardware and what is software. First of all, what is hardware? Hardware, this is the part of a computer which we can touch and feel. Means the part of the computer which we can touch and feel, that is hardware. So there is again two types of hardware: internal hardware and external hardware. Some components which is inside the computer, that is called internal hardware, and some part which is outside of the computer, that is called external hardware. Some examples of hardware, that is monitor, CPU box, mouse and keyboard. These are the examples of hardware. What is software? This software, a set of programs or instruction to make hardware perform a given task. So this software give the instruction to this software gives instruction to hardware, you do particular specific work. So it is a set of programs or instruction. So and one more thing, we cannot touch or fill software. Examples of software: Notepad, Paint. And again you will study in the higher class. Software is divided into three parts: application software, system software and utility software. Okay, next is data. What is data? Unorganized fact that need to be processed. Means we have the data, but that is not processed, means that is not being checked out. So that is called data. Example: individual marks obtained by students of a class in a test. So that is, suppose in your class I have taken test and I had not declared the result, who is first, who is second, who is third. Only what is that? I know the marks of the individuals, but it is not exactly declared the rank. So this is unprocessed. So this is called data. And what is information? Process data. Once we process, suppose that I just taken test and given the marks, then after I found out who got the maximum marks, highest mark, then I can give the ranking first, second, third, like that. So this is called information. Means after processing data, that is called information. Example: marks obtained by students arranged in increasing or decreasing order. So suppose once I check the copy and given the marks, so only I just gave the marks, that is your data. Once I declare he is the first, he is the second, he is the third, that is information. Okay, you can read this fact wide. Hardware and software are complementary to each other. As I told that if hardware is not in your computer, computer will not run. Software is not in your computer, it will not, computer will not. So both correspond to each other. The complementary to each other, hardware and software, both work together to produce the output. To getting any output, to for any work for the computer which perform, if computer will perform any work, there must be the combined use of hardware and software. So now what you have to do, you have to write in your copy characteristics of computer, what is hardware, what is software, what is data and what is information. These all things you have to write in your copy and learn. Okay, thank you.